Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Culture School. I am Tanu Srivastava and today we will review chapter 1. Computer is an electronic device which accepts the data, processes the data and gives us desired output. Computer follows IPU cycle. IPU stands for input, process and the output. Now we will know computer system made up of 4 devices: input devices, output devices, processing device and the storage devices. Input devices, we know that computer has no IQ. It is a device and it has no IQ and it needs instructions from the user to perform the action. For that purpose, input devices are used. Keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, digital camera, light pen. These are known as the input devices. Now the output devices. Output devices is used to display the processed information. The output displayed on monitor, that is called the soft copy. So monitor is an output device. The output produced by the printer, that is called the hard copy. So printer is also an output device. After that, speaker, plotter, headphone are known as the output devices. When we talk about the processing device, there is only one device, that is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of computer. Now the storage devices. Storage device is used to store the data for the longer period of time, because we know that computer can store data for the longer period of time. Now standard keyboard has 104 keys. These are divided into 5 categories: number keys, typing keys, navigation key, control key and the function key. There are 2 pointing devices, mouse and the light pen, because it shows the arrow and it is used to select the object or open any file or folder. Scanner is used to convert the document into digital form. Digital form, that means we can convert the document in an image format so that computer can store the data. There are 2 types of scanner, flatbed scanner and the handheld scanner. The parts of CPU are control unit, arithmetic and logical unit and the memory unit. There are 3 types of monitor. We know that monitor is an output device. The output displayed by monitor is called the soft copy. Now the CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display and LED, light emitting diode. These are 3 types of monitor. Types of printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and the laser printer. Where dot matrix printer produces very poor quality of output, that's why it is not in use now. Inkjet printer normally we use at home or we have seen in the shop, offices. And next one is the laser printer. It uses laser beam to produce the output and it produces best quality of output. It is used for the professional purpose. Now computer understands only binary digit. Binary digit, that means 0 or 1. That is also called the bit. Types of memory. There are 2 types of memory. Primary memory is also called the internal memory and another one is the secondary, that is also called the external memory. There are 2 types of primary memory. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read only memory. RAM is just like the temporary memory. We have seen the calculator. When we type the new word, the old will be overwritten, old will be overlapped. The same example you also can give the blackboard. ROM stands for read only memory. It holds the instructions to start up the computer system. Without this, computer can't be started. Types of secondary memory. Secondary memory stores the data for the longer period of time. CD stands for compact disc. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. These are circular in shape and their diameter is 4.7. Pen drive is the small device and the port where we place the pen drive in CPU, that is called USB port, universal serial bus, that is used to connect the external devices. Next one is the memory card. Pen drive is also called the flash drive. It's a portable device, that means we easily can carry it from one place to another place, and its capacity is up to 4 TB. TB stands for terabyte. Now, based on this video, you have to answer the following questions. Which device is known as the brain of computer? Categorize the device in input device and the output device. The name of device is given here. Which printer produces best quality of print? What is the full form of IPO? You have to give one example of RAM. Which device is known as portable storage device? And one more question related to the storage device, secondary storage device, that is, which device is placed inside the CPU, secondary storage? And one more question, which device is used to play games on computer? Thank you.